Alright, so I have been working on my friend's Kirby Avalir. First time actually working on one, let alone running it. So I have put a new belt on and installed a new bag, which is all in two different videos. The first video was how to install a belt on your Kirby Avalir. Then the next video was I actually had to vacuum out the cloth bag with my filter queen. But we got that done. So let's see. Since this has been in storage, we're going to be running this off and on the whole time. I'm going to be the whole time it's going to be here while I'm working on it. Like I said, since it's been in storage, I hope there's nothing overly wrong with this Kirby as far as anything being seized up and vice versa. Now, I did test the brush roll out while I was at my friend's house in Jonesboro, Arkansas. The belt spun for a little bit, the brush spun, and the belt broke. But we're going to see how everything feels with new belt. Alright, so let's see how this Avalir sounds with a new bag and belt. Oh wow! Don't sound bad at all. That driver's a little tight. Sounds pretty good. Awesome. Perfect. Motor sounds a little tight, but other than that, it don't sound too bad. There you go. Thanks for watching, y'all.